Today, I've got a great recipe for you guys. We are gonna make some bougie sausage dogs. That's right, we're gonna make some fancy ones. We're stepping it up. I have got some hardcore carnivore sausages. We have their jalapeno and cheese, and we have their all beef. So stick around, see how I make these fantastic sausage dogs. I am Chef Johnny, your ultimate beef-loving Texan, and I am making some fantastic sausage dogs. Guys, got these in, Jess Pryles. If you don't follow Jess, follow Hardcore Carnivore. She does a great job, and she is putting out some fantastic sausages. I've had them before, but we're gonna feature them on this video today. So we're gonna get these on our Primo grill. I've got some lump charcoal in there with a little bit of oak wood. And so we're gonna get these cooked up, bring them up to about 155 degrees. And then we're gonna make some fantastic dogs on them. Got some great buns for them, some brioche buns. So come in here and let's look at these sausages up close and see how we make these sausage dogs. You can see the two different sausages I got here. Ran down to my local HEB and picked them up. But also one thing Jess showed on one of her videos, and one of her followers showed it to her. These peel off real easy. And you can peel these off of there. Look at that. And go stick it on an ice chest or something. So that's kind of cool too. But I'm just gonna come in here and cut these open. And like I said, we've got the all beef, we've got the jalapenos and cheese. She's got a lot of different ones. But we're gonna pull these out, get them onto the Primo, and see how they look. But that is a good looking sausage right there. Let's get them on the smoker. Gonna open this up. And I've got this set up for an offset fire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them offset to start off with, and at the very end, I'll move them over the hot part of the fire just to give a little sear to them. But those are our jalapeno and cheese. Then we have got our all beef. And like I said, I have had these before. Jess actually handed me a coupon right when they first came out in HEBs, and I went down and got a free package. But they're fantastic. We're gonna close this up about $2.75. Probably takes about 30 minutes. So let's close her up, and then we'll get back with you in a moment. Those sausages are cooking up on that Primo grill. If you've never looked at Primo grills, guys, I recommend you do that. They are excellent. I never had used a ceramic grill before, but now I think I am hooked for ceramic grills. I am really enjoying cooking this. I don't know, 8 or 10 cooks into it. Longest cook I've had is chickens. Put a link so you can find that. We'll put it below. But that way you can see my chicken video. But I'm liking it. I think it's fantastic. It's made in America, the only one I know that is. And it's got a patented oval design. So look at it. Check out Jess's Hardcore Carnivore. Follow her on all social medias and try her sausage. You know, HEB's got them packed in there, and her rubs, right? I love her black rub. Her red's good also. But she's got a lot of other good rubs to go with them also. But anyways, give her stuff a try. She's a good girl and has got some fantastic products out there. You can find those at Hardcore Carnivore. Just research that. But anyways, we are gonna put some peppers on here. I've got multicolored bell peppers with onions as one option. I've also got coleslaw as another option with my recipe. Put the recipe down below for you so you got my coleslaw recipe. And also I've just got a basic hot dog, right? Onions, relish, grated cheese. So we have some different options, some different toppings for these bougie sausage dogs that we're making. And of course, guys, if you're doing hot dogs, you can do them the same way. Just provide some different items out there for your guests so that they don't have just to have the same old, right? They can do something a little bit different. But I have mustard out here today. If you like ketchup or mayo, by all means, get all the condiments out here and give your guests a good time and let them give it a try. Now, we're almost 30 minutes in, so let's check these sausages and see if they're up to, I say 145, 150. If they are, we're gonna move them to the hot side of that grill and sear them off. It is time to get this open. We're gonna check temps and see where we are at here. But let's look right there. 148, so we're good. I think we can start searing off. Yeah, this one out here is about 143, but it's looking pretty good. We got a good fire there. Let's see if we can get that done. You can see we had this open for a little bit, and it is sparking up. We got to be careful not to get them on there too long and split those sausages wide open, right? But let's get a little sear on them. Turn these over. Those are our jalapeno and cheese. Here's our all beef. Hey, they have prime rib. They have, I think she has Polish. She's got a lot of different ones y'all need to check out, but they are some excellent, excellent sausages. They're getting hot. They are sizzling. Just keep them moving or you're gonna split them so wide open, and you don't want to do that. You lose a lot of your moisture. Look at that. Man, that's looking pretty. Move them back over off the fire if we need to. That already split on us pretty good. Let's check these beefs. It's not quite as hot down this way. Those are looking good. Move that one out of the way. Let's move this one back over, get a little heat on it. Flip our there is our last jalapeno and cheese. Those beef are pretty. Let's get them off, and then we'll toast up our buns, and we'll make up some sausage dogs. If you look, they kind of opened up in the middle. So we're just gonna put them this way, not like your normal bun that opens on the side. But it won't take but a second. We're gonna have these toasted. Don't want to burn them, just want to warm them up. Get a little texture, right? It's gonna add some texture to them. Look at that. It's hot, 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 hot. All right, get those off. Let them rest for a minute, or let the sausages rest for a minute, and then we will get them on these buns. Let's look at a couple of these sausages up close and see what we think about them. Okay, here's our jalapeno and cheese. Let's take a look at it. Let y'all see it. Oh yeah, we got some pretty cheese in there. You can see the jalapenos. See if this will focus right here. Beautiful sausage, plenty of jalapeno, plenty of cheese in there. It's nice and moist. Let's look at this beef one. Get a cut in it. And again, it is a pretty sausage. They've got some nice smoke in that Primo grill, and I'm sure they taste great. But let's make some sausage dogs, right? Bougie sausage dogs, as my wife reminded me there. So let's open this up. I have got some spicy brown mustard. I do like that. Close it up, and I think with that one, I'm gonna go with one of these jalapeno and cheese. And to cool that off, what I'm gonna do on top of it is coleslaw. So we've got the spicy jalapeno, right? And we're gonna have some cool coleslaw to go on top for that bougie sausage dog. Kind of move it over to the side. Let's get our next one out. All right, next one. We're gonna go yellow mustard. I'm gonna go with an all beef dog. And in fact, let's just use that one that I sliced up a while ago. All beef dog. And on this one, I'm gonna come in with some peppers and onions. Get those up here. Some different colors so it looks pretty. Use different colored bell peppers, guys. It's just gonna look a whole lot prettier. Your friends are gonna enjoy it. But there's that one. And for the third one, I think we're just gonna go with a plain Jane dog. I'm going back to the jalapeno and cheese. And I'm gonna go yellow mustard on here too. Just like that. I've got some diced onion we can put on them. Some sweet relish. I do like sweet relish instead of a dill relish on my dogs. And then I just have some multicolored shredded cheese to go on top of that. And there you go. 3 beautiful, beautiful bougie hot dogs for the next time. These are adult hot dogs, right? When we have the friends over, we're gonna fix this, and everybody's really gonna love them poolside. Those look beautiful. Got a few more to make, but let's take a sample of these real quick. There we have it, 3 great looking bougie sausage dogs, right? And the tough question is, which one do we want first? I think I'm gonna go with the jalapeno and cheese. on the coleslaw and give it a try. But that is, again, that is a pretty hot dog. Let's give this one a try and see how Jess did on these Hardcore Carnivore jalapeno and cheese sausages. That is a very good sausage dog, guys. I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. If you're down here in Texas and live around an HEB, you need to stop by and pick some of these up because these are very good sausages. Jess has done a great job of making these sausages. I've enjoyed trying them. Hey guys, and go over to her website, put it in order. She's got a lot of great products there, from knives to butcher paper to all of her seasonings, which are fantastic. Have not had one I did not like. Tell her Chef Johnny sent you over there. And guys, I don't get anything from this. Jess is not paying me for this. I've just met her. She's a really nice lady, and she has got some fantastic products. So drop by and see her. Check out some of my other videos. Check out my Texas beef playlist, guys. I got a lot of tremendous videos out there of beef that's coming straight from Texas. Thanks for stopping by. I always do appreciate it. I'm Chef Johnny, the ultimate beef-loving Texan, and we'll see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.